Sitting down and noticing your belly has more rolls than a hovis factory is depressing. When you sit there thinking, how the hell did that happen so fast? Watch this video until the end and you'll find out. We have an abundance of food, and refined carbohydrates are everywhere. They make up most of people's diet. They're generally cheap, unless you're posh and you shop at Waitrose. Products such as white bread, white rice, cereals, pastries and cakes, sweets, fizzy drinks, fruit juices, crisps, noodles, cookies, white flour, the list goes on and on and on. And the overconsumption of refined carbohydrates is literally killing people. In part 1 of this video, I'm going to reveal what happens during the carbohydrate refinement process, and in part 2, I'm going to reveal why you get fat because of them. Carbohydrates are refined through a process that involves removing the outer layers of grains and other plant sources, which contain fiber, vitamins and minerals. The refining process aims to create a finer texture and extend shelf life, but it also strips away beneficial nutrients, and here's a few examples. Number 1, milling. Grains like wheat are milled to remove the outer bran and germ layers, leaving only the starchy endosperm. Number 2, sifting. The milled grains are sifted to create a fine texture. This removes the coarser parts that contain fiber and nutrients. Number 3, bleaching. Some refined carbohydrates are bleached to achieve a whiter appearance. Number 4, enrichment. After refining removes essential nutrients, certain nutrients like B vitamins and iron are added back through a process called enrichment. But this doesn't restore all of the original nutrients. Number 5, processing. Refined carbohydrates might be further processed to create products like white flour, white rice and sugars, which are used in various foods and beverages. Number 6, additives. Some refined carbohydrates have additives to improve texture, taste and shelf life, but these additives can be devoid of nutritional value. It's important to note that while refining might create a smoother texture and extend shelf life, it often leads to foods that are lower in fiber and nutrients compared to whole, unrefined counterparts. In essence, they take out the goodness, leave you with the crap and put additives in to make it taste nice. The result is you get fat and they make money. And this is why you get fat. When you consume refined carbohydrates, they are quickly digested and cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, leading to an insulin surge. Insulin promotes fat storage and inhibits fat breakdown, making it easier for your body to store excess calories as fat. Refined carbohydrates also lack essential nutrients and fiber, leaving you feeling less satisfied and more likely to overeat. This usually creates a cycle of consuming more calories than your body needs. Over time, chronic consumption of refined carbs can lead to insulin resistance, making weight management even more challenging. Opting for whole, unprocessed carbohydrates won't just balance your diet and help you feel fuller for longer, they'll help to stabilize your body and your mind. Bye for now.